I'm not making them pretty.
Does that matter?
No.
And you gonna throw them in there?
Uh-huh. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Watch it come up. There's a dumpling. And it gets like a dough ball. That's the best part. All greedy people love this part.
What part?
The dough.
And what are you gonna do with the chicken?
The chicken, you eat it with this.
So what's this called?
Chicken and dumplings.
Like chicken and waffles?
Not like chicken and waffles at all.
okay.
Chicken and dumplings.
Kinda sounds like it. Maybe Jesho would like this?
Maybe. Greedy people like them fat.
I'm sure Harley would like it, huh? Harley, Marshall, Kike, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Damien will be like, hell no, get out of here. I'm saying because he's obsessed with fast food and certain meals. I'm pretty picky myself too, but this smells good, so I'll give it a try tomorrow.
You've had them before.
Okay, are they done?
The dumplings? Yes, they're done. When they rise to the top, they're done.
Why are you making so many?
Because that's the best part. Ask anybody that's had dumplings, the chicken and dumplings, that's the best part.
Why is it the best part?
Just this.
I would eat some, but I got full with
Baked
we got
potato.
a baked potato at a Happy Machapi. How do you say it?
Happy Machapi.
It's a small little place right there next to Family Dollar, right here in North Central.
Braxton and Asia, you guys should come home.
So we made a short video for Happy Machappy. They sell boba tea, they sell baked potatoes, cream soup, and they have great vibes there when you walk in. Very smiley, nice. It's a family business. So I just went a couple minutes ago, and Diana and her mom gave us a free baked potato and 2 teas. They're really, really good. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Grandpa, Grandma. To all that family right there. Happy Machappy. Or else I would try this. I mean, it's been a couple of months or a year. I don't know what last time I tried it. But, okay, I'm getting tired. Alright, guys. I'll tell you tomorrow what they taste like.